I am making a cheesy upside down pizza. So it's mostly cheese, but I'm going to add a little bit of meat in the form of pepperoni. So basically, imagine a pizza, but you build it upside down. So I'm not starting with the crust, I'm starting with the toppings. So, I mean, it's a world gone mad. I don't know what to say. Okay, and I also have some sliced Roma tomatoes, and I'm just gonna kind of arrange them in the gap between the pepperoni. So now I'm adding some roasted red peppers that I cut into strips. And then this is the fun part. So I've got some sliced mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella goes on. You can use whatever cheese you want. And don't worry about covering every square inch because we have 3 cheeses to help us accomplish that. So I've got some grated cheddar and it goes on. The third cheese is provolone, and I'm gonna put it on top, which is actually on bottom. This is where I start to get really confused from an engineering standpoint. Next comes the marinara sauce or pizza sauce. I'm probably gonna add a cup, but I'm just gonna do it a spoonful at a time to make sure it gets all over the cheese. Okay, so spread out all the marinara. See, what am I missing? Crust. So this is just store-bought pizza dough. It was frozen and I let it thaw out for like 3 days in the fridge, which is like totally a remove. No, actually a lot of people do that. It's called planning. It's called meal planning. Okay, so I'm just kind of letting the weight of the dough form the dough into a rough circle. And when it gets to be about the size of the pizza, the skillet, yeah, that was pretty good.
Perfect.
And then I'll just sort of tuck it over the edge of the ingredients. Now, come with me, Alex. Oven time. All right, I've got the oven on 400 degrees. So I'm gonna put it in for about 25 minutes. Okay, the pizza is out of the oven. It has been sitting here for just a few minutes. You see that, Alex?
It looks so good.
It's kind of golden, and I can hear still some little sizzling going on.
This will be interesting.
This will be really interesting. And by the way, I used a very well-seasoned iron skillet, and that is important in order for it to have non-stick qualities. Ready, set, oh! Okay, well, okay, it's a little messy, but I have a plan. Okay? So, I have some fresh bell pepper rings, and not only that, beautiful leaves of basil. Okay, what do you think, guys?
Delicious.
It looks amazing.
It looks good, right?
I'm ready to
Smells
dig
so
in.
good.
Okay, do you guys want to try a slice?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh. Yes, there you go.
Thank you.
How is it?
So good. It's like deep dish.
Upside down pizza.